I've been thinking, what's the best strategy to give someone who's just starting out in trading? Like, something simple enough to use right away. Something that could actually make you money while you're still learning the basics. And something that helps you really get it fast. Honestly, I think the best way to start is by trading reversals in volatile sideways markets. Sounds confusing? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll get it completely, and you'll know exactly how to use this strategy to start making smart trades. Let's go! The reversal strategy works best when price hits a key level, either support or resistance. What's a key level? It's a zone where price reacted multiple times in the past, where it bounced, reversed, or stalled. If price has respected that level before, it's not random. It's meaningful. Once price reaches that level, we don't enter right away. We wait for signal number 2, impulse. That means a strong reaction from the level. A big candle going the opposite way, or a sharp move made of a few fast candles. That tells us, okay, buyers or sellers are stepping in. Now, we still don't enter. We wait for the pullback. Once price comes back to retest the level, that's when we look for signal number 3, a reversal candlestick pattern. This could be a hammer, small body, long lower wick showing rejection. A shooting star, small body, long upper wick showing sell pressure. An engulfing candle. Or even a doji signaling indecision if it happens at a key zone. It's not about memorizing names, it's about what the candle tells you. Price tried to break through and failed. Once all three align, the level, the impulse, and the pattern, that's your entry. I want to start making money online, but I don't know where to start. What if I lose my money? I hear this all the time. Look, trading isn't some magic button to get rich overnight. But if you want to try it the right way, without wasting money or months figuring things out, here's how. I trade on Quotex, and right now, you can copy my trades for free while learning in real time. No upfront fees. I'll get a commission from the platform instead. That means you can test everything on a demo, see how it works, and decide for yourself without spending $1. It takes minutes. You get the currency pair announcement. Open it on the platform. Then you get the signal. Place the trade. And that's it. Will this make you a millionaire tomorrow? Of course no. But it will get you started, you'll see how it works, and see your first profit without risk. This is the easiest way to step into trading. Just check it out and see if it's for you. Click the link, get set up, and let's go. Let me show you how this plays out on a real chart. Here we've got a sideways market, a classic range. Price already rejected the same resistance level twice. Then it comes back up again, and we see a clean impulse down. That's our reaction, signal number 2. Price pulls back up to retest the level and forms a clear shooting star candle. That's signal number 3, the pattern. So we've got a proven resistance level, a strong rejection from it, a bearish reversal pattern on the retest. I enter a 15-minute put. Now, a few tips to boost your accuracy. Tip number 1. Always mark your levels on higher time frames, like 5-minute or 15-minute charts. Stronger zones equals better reactions. Tip 2. Avoid trading during high-impact news. You can check economic calendars on investing.com. News events can cause fake-outs, ignore levels, and wreck solid setups. Tip number 3. Don't enter on every touch of a level. That's the mistake most beginners make. If this strategy made sense, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It really helps me with this channel. And if you want to see how I trade setups like this live, check the link in the description and join our Telegram. I share my real trades, market ideas, and daily breakdowns over there. Catch you there.